Hi, this is Therese Anderson with Keller Williams Advantage and Anderson Alliance Realty. Today we're at a phenomenal home in Black Hawk, Colorado. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a den, and an office. This house sits on 2.6 acres, has views of Thorn Lake, and is surrounded by the beautiful Rocky Mountains. So let's take a look around. So what did you think of the house? My favorite feature of this house is being able to sit out on the deck and see the lake from my backyard. Again, this is Therese Anderson with Anderson Alliance Realty. I would love to give you a private tour of this home. I look forward to your call, and thank you.